Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to translate language in Google Sheets. So, if you guys didn't know, you can translate language in your Google Sheets file by using Google Translate formula, and I'm going to show you how. So, in the D column or the left column on your screen, this is some sentence in Bahasa Indonesia, my mother tongue, and then I'm going to translate it into English, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to put the cursor here. I'm going to type in the formula here. You can just type in Google. Okay, you can find the Google Translate and then choose the text. The text here, I'm going to choose this and then comma and the source language. I'm going to choose Indonesia and then the target language. So you can translate it into any targeted language. So in this case I'm going to use English. So and English and is for English and then parentheses and just click on enter and wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so just like that, the text has been translated into English like this. Okay, I'm going to try for another language. So this one, and then source language is Indonesia, and the target language I'm going to probably Spanish. I'm going to translate it into Spanish and enter. Okay, as you can see, the language has been translated, this text has been translated into Spanish. Okay, so that is how you can translate language in Google Sheets. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.